In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail error code 404 5 minutes. A 404 error in Gmail usually means the page you're trying to load can't be found, often because your browser is holding onto outdated or corrupted site data. The quickest, most reliable fix is to clear the cookies associated with Gmail and then reload the page. I'll walk you through that now step by step in a way that works on all major browsers. Start by opening your web browser. On many browsers, you'll see a three-dot menu in the top right corner of the window. Click that to open the main menu. If your browser looks a little different, just find the main menu button in the same area of the screen. The option names we'll use next are consistent across most browsers. From the menu, choose Settings. This opens your browser's control panel where you can manage your privacy and site data. Inside Settings, look for the section called Privacy and Security. That's where your browsing data controls live, including the option we need to remove the cookies that may be causing Gmail to misbehave. Find and select the option to delete browsing data. A dialog will appear with several checkboxes and sometimes a time range. For this fix, make sure cookies and other site data is selected. You can leave other boxes like cached images and files unchecked if you only want to reset the information that directly affects sign-ins and session data. Keep in mind, removing cookies will sign you out of most sites, including Gmail, which is expected for this fix. When you're ready, click Delete Data to confirm. Give your browser a moment to finish. You might see a brief loading spinner. This clears the stored information that can lead to a 404 if Gmail recently changed something behind the scenes or your session became corrupted. Now go back to Gmail and refresh the page. If you had Gmail open in a tab, click the refresh button or use the keyboard shortcut Command+R on a Mac, Control+R on Windows. When the page reloads, sign back into your Google account if prompted. With the old cookies removed, Gmail should load cleanly without the 404 error. That's it. By opening your browser, heading into Settings, navigating to Privacy and Security, deleting your browsing data with cookies selected, and then refreshing Gmail, you've reset the session data that commonly causes this error. If Gmail loads normally, you're all set.